How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Costco Citi Card online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Costco Citi Card online. Then you want to click on this option, which is citi.com. Now you want to tap on the sign on option at the top of your screen. Then on the login portal, you will have to enter your credentials. Go ahead and enter your user ID on the first box. Then on the second box, enter your password. If you want your user ID to be remembered, check this box. Now tap on the sign on option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully signed into your account. In case you forgot your user ID, click on the forgot user ID option. If you forgot your password, tap on the forgot password option. Then select any of these options. If you select bank or credit card customers, you want to enter your ATM or credit card number on this box. Then click on the continue option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.